Friends, today I am showing you Uttarakhand's most toxic plant, Lantana camera. Lantana camera is a species of flowering plant. These are perennial shrubs that can grow to around 2 meter tall and form dense thickets in a variety of environments. Kindly subscribe my channel. Friends, we are driving to hills of Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is mostly filled of dense forests and shrubs. Let us stop here to see some vegetation of Uttarakhand. See, from June to October, Uttarakhand receives a maximum rainfall. The forests are green and full of shrubs. In the beginning of forest, we will find Lantana camera. This is a species of flowering plant. Yes, see, these are perennial shrubs that can grow to around 2 meter tall and form dense thickets in a variety of environments. See, the leaves are broadly ovate, opposite and simple and have a strong odor when crushed. The odor of this leaves is very repellent to the animals and mosquitoes. The flowers are about 4 by 2 millimeter across, membranous, pubescent, bract oblong or ovate, 5-lobed, 2-limbed, orange, pinkish red, purple, scarlet red. These are the colors which we found. The flowers are typically change color as they mature, resulting in inflorescences that are 2 or 3 colored. The colors of flowers differ depending on location, age and maturity. After pollination occurs, the color of flowers change, typically from yellow to red, then pink, then orange. This is believed to be a signal to pollinators. Flowering and fruiting is almost throughout the year. Some experts claim that lantana berries are edible when ripe, though like many fruit are mildly poisonous if eaten while green. Some experts claim that both unripe and ripe lantana berries are potentially lethal. Extract of lantana may be used for protection of cabbage against the aphid Lepaphis erythemi. As I have told you earlier, lantana is known to be toxic to livestock such as cattle, sheep, horses, dogs and goats. The active substances causing toxicity in grazing animals causes liver damage and photosensitivity. Lantana camera also excretes allelopathic chemicals, which reduce the growth of surrounding plants by inhibiting germination and root elongation. Ingesting green and ripe berries of lantana are toxic to human. Ayurveda studies conducted in India have found that lantana leaves can display antimicrobial, fungicidal and insecticidal properties. It has also been used in traditional herbal medicines for treating a variety of ailments, including cancer, skin itches, leprosy, rabies, chickenpox, measles, asthma, anti-malarial, anti-ulcerogenic, treatment of emotional stress and trauma and ulcers. The spread of lantana is aided by the characteristic of their leaves, which are somewhat poisonous to most animals, while their fruit is a delicacy for many birds, which distribute the seeds. As a positive aspect, lantanas are useful as honey plants. Butterflies are attracted to these flowers to feed on the nectar. Some weaver birds like black-throated weaver and streaked weaver decorate their nests. This is an ability to produce spectacular and innovative decorations appears to be desired by females and consequently is an indicator of the male's fitness. Lantana stalks have been used in construction of furniture such as chairs and tables. These are also used in medicinal and ornamental. Ayurveda studies conducted in India have found that lantana leaves can display antimicrobial, fungicidal, and insecticidal properties. It has also been used in traditional herbal medicines for treating a variety of ailments. The fruits of lantana camara is berry-like. See, they are deep purple color when matured. Both vegetative and seeds reproduction occurs. Up to 12,000 fruits can be produced by each plant, which are then eaten by birds and other animals, which can spread the seeds over large distances, facilitating the spread of lantana. Lantana flowers are bisexual, that is, with functional male and female, including stamens. Pollination is entomophilous, that is by insects. It is very useful Let us move and enjoy weather of Uttarakhand in July, August and September. I hope I will record more videos of vegetation and display very soon. Thank you for watching.